Hi, I'm Frank Russell, Athletic Director at Liberty Common School. The Athletics Department is dedicated to teaching students the virtue of victory and the victory of joy. Liberty Common Scholar athletes are fortunate to be coached by passionate mentors who are deeply invested in their development both on and off the field. Additionally, we're grateful for a board of directors that values athletics and funds the essential costs to keep our teams competitive. But we want to do more. And to provide even greater opportunities for our student athletes, we're excited to announce the first ever Eagles for Eagles golf tournament, a fundraiser for Liberty Common Athletics. This special event will take place on Monday, June 23rd at the Ptarmigan Country Club. This fundraiser is a chance for our community to come together in support of young scholar athletes. Funds raised will help our athletes travel farther for competitive opportunities and improve athletic facilities. To learn more about sponsoring this event or to register, visit the link below. I hope to see you there as we come together and have a fun day of golf and community and elevate Liberty Common Athletics to the next level.